Oh, it's recording?
Ah,
Okay.
Okay.
that's local as
Cool.
well. Ooh. Okay. So does it go
Okay.
straight to our X?
Yes.
What's happening?
Yes.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, I think it's streaming on X, and also so it's also on the U Club YouTube channel right now. So whoever
Okay.
subscribed
Ooh.
or on Twitter, they're able to see like our conversations and also the live stream right now.
Oh, I could have connected
Yo.
Alpha's YouTube, but it's okay. This is fun.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh damn. Okay, that's damn cool. Yeah, this is a great find. Thanks, Tristan. This is crazy.
Okay, so we're
Okay.
gathered here because we wanted to chat and we figured why not do a live stream. Yeah, so I'm here with my friends, Saitoshi and Shin-chan. I'm actually
Hi
not the
guys.
host. I don't know why I'm doing this.
Yeah. Yeah. It's great to chat. I've never done a live stream, so this is a bit awkward. The most I've ever done was Twitter Spaces.
Okay,
Although
that's
my
good.
face is not here, this is it's still quite a lot.
That's nice.
Maybe we can just do like roundabout questions. So Tristan asks me and I ask Shin-chan, and we can in a quick few minutes understand what is everyone up to.
Okay. Saitoshi, can you share more about what you're doing at Clash of Perks?
Oh, okay. I think
3 lines.
3 lines. Partnering with top dexers, organizing a physical in real life trading competition with pub dexers and very cool local partners. And the last one, what else am I doing? Upgrading the game. Yeah, so more game mechanics, another town hall, more troops that you can try out. Yeah, 3 lines.
Okay, very
Shit.
cool. So it's a
Yep.
game. It's a Clash of Clans style game where people can trade to make actions.
Yes, correct.
Okay, you'll share a video about that later.
Yeah. Wait, I can share screen here. Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
let's do it.
Wait, yeah, I didn't realize. Oh god.
You wanna share it now? Like
Yeah, I can do a quick share.
Okay,
Wait,
cool.
give me
Okay,
a
cool.
moment.
Let's go.
It's awkward because I was going through bugs earlier. Okay, let me see. This.
Yeah, I think while Satoshi is working on sharing his screen, I just want to give a brief introduction to everyone who joined our live stream. So I'm Shin Chan, and it's really excited to be here today because actually I'm running like a community-driven kind of like channel that is called U Club, which we want to share more about like stuff within on-chain finance, DeFi, and also the whole crypto space on what's getting everyone excited about, and also interesting products and protocols that we come across, including Alva and also Clash of Perps today. So here today, we're trying to do some like kind of like a chill conversations with Tristan from Alpha and also Satoshi from Clash of Perps to share more about the products, the visions, and also what if you are a user or maybe you are from other protocols that you come across these products that you might be interested in exploring what the type of like takeaways that you were able to get from our live stream. So yeah.
Okay, yeah, maybe I can just Tristan, please do an intro. So sorry.
Oh no, let's quickly go. Okay, yeah, I'll just do a quick intro. So I'm Tristan from Alpha AI. We are the only real-time social monitoring infrastructure and rules engine to help agents reliably get real-world information, real-world markets information, financial information, so that they can really become truly autonomous assistants that can do way more than just being personal secretaries. So I'll share more after Satoshi has walked through his platform.
Okay, I'm testing out our AI feature. It has a few bugs, so I'm not sure if it works.
Mhm.
But
Yeah.
yeah, Clash of Pubs. Maybe I can just do a quick rundown.
Mhm.
It's a game where we are building on the front end of PubDexes. We are integrated with 8 PubDexes right now, partner with 6, hosting trading competitions for at least 4 of them. And essentially, what you do here is you trade to earn gold within the game. A gold is required for everything within the game to upgrade resources, to upgrade your buildings, your troops, to send your troops to battle. And yeah, currently, I don't think anyone else is playing around with the incentive mechanisms of PubDexes. PubDexes themselves are only just playing around with points programs. I essentially provide an alternative front end that makes pub trading fun, or as part of a fun game. Yeah. Okay. Sadly, Clash it's not working. God. But yeah, let me just quickly show the trading portion. Is my wallet connected?
Yeah, so this is basically the user interface, right? So if I'm a user, I go to Clash of Perps and then I connect my wallet and then I can literally start trading here.
Yes. Actually, we just made a massive upgrade yesterday. I have not even talked about it. But basically, right now we have unified accounts. So as long as you're ready, in the past when you join our game, if you're connecting through a new pub dex, you have to start your game all over from zero. But as of last night, basically, if you already have an account with us and you want to trade on a different pub dex with the same account, we route that for you. Yeah. We are working through a few more integrations. So some of these are not announced yet, but are in the pipeline. I announced with Nido, Hibachi, and oh my god, and Hot Stuff last Friday or Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday. And yeah, we're pushing hard. We're pushing hard. Doing as much as we can as two people, a 2-man team can possibly do.
Can you show us you deploying a house?
Deploying a house?
I don't know, like
Like maybe a tower or defensive tower or
I can show you battle, I guess. This is hard. This is a very hard base. Okay, I'm just gonna try. So you send your troops to battle. You have to take down a lot of stuff actually. And the main aim of each battle is to take down the town hall, which is here. How my game works to make pub trading more fun is that essentially within our trading competitions, we factor in not just profitability or trading volume. We also factor in trophy count, which you earn through raiding other people. So every raid you do successfully, you gain 30 trophies. Let me show you the leaderboard later.
Oh, nice. Won.
Yeah, I won. Crazy. I lost 11 majors. That is. Yeah, it takes a lot of gold to also replenish your troops. It's around 550. Yeah. Let me show you our current trading competition. So this is our current trading competition. We hit 250, 2.5 million trading volume. How our trading competitions work is a mix of trophy count and also volume count. So we weight slightly more towards volume. Trophies are earned through raiding. So we distribute points on a daily basis at the end of each day. Currently, today you can see Onimu has 48k in trading volume, and he has raided countless times to 5,000 trophies. 5,000 trophies is actually crazy if you think about it. That's at least 170, 180 battles that he has to win. So his points is 6,000. Yeah. Our participation rate isn't that high with the current one, but we do have power users, so it does help with the volumes. But it is an improvement from the previous decibel trading competition we held. So previously we only did 1.8 million in 7 days. So this time we did nearly 2.5. Yeah, we are still trying to tighten up mechanics, and at the moment our fees are a bit expensive. So what we're doing next is lowering fees across the board and increasing the prize pool. And yeah, we'll see if that works as well. Yeah, and later today, we'll have the hot stuff trading competition, which is with hot stuff, the PubDex L1, and yeah, and that we'll be announcing with one of the largest PubDexes on Solana today as well.
Wow. Okay. You can't share
Yeah,
who, huh?
I mean, there's not that many, so yeah, we're already working with Pacifica and Phoenix, so it's probably like only a few more guys. Yeah, but yeah, that's Clash of Pubs at the moment. Maybe I can ask Shinchan. Shinchan, what are you working on at U Club, and any insights that you can share on with regards to centralized exchanges?
Yeah, so just to share a bit background about myself. So yeah, I'm founding U Club. Just originally we wanted to found U Club because we want to focus more about like research and content sharing about stablecoin farming and also like different yield farming strategies across the space. And that's how we got started. And I think a lot has changed since last year because of the whole like crypto landscape and also different narratives. So gradually we before that we actually wanted to focus more on like content and also like building community that we could share information and also like community members sharing their insights about yield farming. It's more like a kind of like a Telegram channel that we wanted to create just for everyone to chill there and to chit chat about DeFi. And we realized that a lot of attention has swifted to like AI and also trading specifically. So this year we're trying to do more content, specifically like live stream of like what we are doing right now, and also podcasts with different protocols that focus on building AI narratives, such as like Proof New, which we interviewed last month, which they allow users to do they actually allow builders to do one-click deployment of protocols within the Solana ecosystem. So yeah, we're trying to do more content to build a channel, I would say, across Twitter and YouTube, so we could allow different, whether it's like retail users or it could be like protocol founders to connect with each other. So that's like currently what U Club is working on right now. And just aside from that, I have my like full-time crypto job, and it's actually more about like centralized exchange and marketing for the B2B space. So yeah, what I'm doing, it's more on like connecting with potential, I would say like institutional clients or to-be clients that offer them a suitable solutions from a centralized exchange that could fit for their like business needs. So it could be something like they need certain like trading API for their own service, or like OTC desk and all that. So what I'm trying to do is that how we could cater for them, like by and also how to get those like target clients, maybe from like placing advertisements or like hosting events, or maybe do some like specific campaigns with them to get their users onboarded to the platform. So yeah, that's mainly what I'm doing right now.
Got it.
Yeah.
What's exciting for U Club coming up next?
I would say like we were trying to be more, I would say like diligent in the sense that in doing more live streams with different protocols. So hopefully like every week or like once every 2 weeks, we're able to do a live stream together with projects so they could share about their products, how users can make use of that potentially for earning money, or for potentially for optimizing the day-to-day trading experience, or even like to get more advanced features of their day-to-day utilization of AI / crypto adoption. So yeah, that's what we're trying to work on right now.
Oh, cool. Will you be
Yeah.
able to share your YouTube channel, how it looks like? Or
Yeah,
not so
YouTube
soon?
channel. So let me try to see if I can share my screen. Just a second. So so this is actually okay. I'm trying to share my screen. So I'm not sure if like that's visible. No,
Not yet.
not yet. Okay,
Oh, I've stopped sharing. You can. I think
let me try again.
you see if there's any setting.
Is it working? Wait. Yeah, I'm trying to share, but I'm not sure if like it allows
Oh,
me
we see
to
it. We see
share
it.
the screen. Yeah, so basically, it's in Chinese, but it's actually bilingual. So this is the YouTube channel that we created. So I actually made a video about like myself, why I joined crypto, how my crypto career journey was, and like some kind of like advice for people who might be interested in getting into crypto. So that's my first YouTube video. I filmed a couple of months ago, and then out of those like future protocol podcasts and live streams, it will also be shared in this YouTube channel as well. So if you guys are interested, feel free to subscribe our YouTube channel. So you can simply search uClub to follow and subscribe. And so yeah, that's pretty much about uClub.
Very cool. I think I already follow you guys.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
So how about you, Tristan?
Yeah.
I think we should move to your introduction and also more about
Yeah.
Alpha.
I'll say that, just to echo what I asked you, what's exciting for us, we're seeing that API adoption for our company's product is skyrocketing. It's very natural now that I think about it, because everyone is vibe coding now. Everyone wants to build their own assistant, their own trading strategies, finance assistant, and they're quickly realizing that it's very hard to build all this on their own. I know for a fact that every vibe coder that I know is trying to build their own monitoring service to understand what's happening in finance and in trading and in the markets, especially with the war going on. But it's difficult. So we realized early on in February that there will be this huge demand. So we actually spent a lot of time to open up our infrastructure for the public to use. So I can actually show you some stuff. Maybe let's start off with a visual demo of the product, and then we can go into more stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So check this out. Can you see my screen? Not yet. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Alpha. We help people start understanding what is happening in the market. You can do simple things like suggest a trade setup, and we track X, Telegram, prediction markets, on-chain data, technical ETF flows, etc. And also what are traders saying, what are the reputable traders saying, to give you a very quick lens of what is going on. But beyond that, this is really just a teaser. You can ask any types of questions like why did Bitcoin dump so much? Why did Clash of Perps grew in popularity? Or like what are people saying about Yield Club? You can do anything like that. And the why people use us is because we are super fast. So we are not an AI wrapper. This is actually a translation, translation agent for our very sophisticated data monitoring pipeline. So we actually index all this information and we match what everyone is saying to assets, people, organizations around the world. So you can bet that this has the most updated information about anything. So let's say if you wanted to do a trade setup for oil, you're not sure, or a lot of people actually have an idea of what they want, for example, the long or short, but they will come here to understand more. So then you can read out about it, what's the outlook based on different information, news, catalysts, social calls, even like what are people saying on Telegram channels. Yes, and if you want to make a trade, all you need to do is click trade, and the limit price, take profit, stop loss is all set for you. So it's really easy to get started with trading. If you are not so familiar with the interface, all you need to do is click the amount and you can just click sell, and that's it. All right. So obviously I can just like click sell order here and it will be placed. Yes. And but this is really like the old the legacy stuff, or like the stuff that we were known for last year. Recently we introduced auto, which is really exciting, so let me quickly share. So auto allows you to keep track of anything that's happening live in the market. From our experience, when people ask for a trade setup like this, it is kind of accurate for now because it has all the information till now. But what happens 30 minutes later or 8 hours later? Maybe something happens, right? Maybe the war escalates. Maybe something else, negotiations break down. Then this analysis is no longer so relevant. And that's where auto comes in, because now you can ask questions like, let's see, you can ask questions like, let me know when inform me when there's a impactful development around the U.S. Iran war, and send me an analysis of what I should do about my current positions. So it's really fast. I think it's like 10 to 15 seconds. So it pulls all this information. Okay, maybe it's slightly longer. Yeah, but I think the key here is that we are not just a research agent. Everyone has a chat GPT now. They don't need another research agent, but they want, what you don't have is real someone to tell you in real time what's happening in the markets, so that you don't have to panic or you don't have to ask a question to find out what's going on. Yes, and it's almost done. Now you can see that the plan is being created. If any of these conditions are met, you would get an AI prompt. Yes. So your plan is live. If you view your plan, you can see that it watches for major development around US-Iran conflict. It runs a fresh analysis. It will tell you what's happening. And you get all these notifications on the app. And also, if you click connect Telegram, you'll get the notification. I connected my Telegram to another account. That's my private account, so I don't want to share. But I'll show you very quickly how that works too. Besides this, of course, you can come to Alpha to really keep up with real-time news. So we are actually powering most of the news on CoinGecko. If you guys want to quickly see, if you go to, let's say, Bitcoin or Pendle, it's mostly Alpha news. So all these logos are by us. Yes, so that is proof of our capabilities. Yeah. And if you want to go deeper, so let's say you want to go into like what's happening to Zcash, for example, you can see this feed that tells you who are long and who are short, right? Imagine like a Twitch stream, and also a live stream of what everyone is saying. Like Simon Dedek just talked about Zcash taking an exploit and flash crashing to $250. There's also insights if you don't want to read so much. So this is all neatly categorized for you. Or if you're trading halfway and want to look at global news, here it is. Now, some exciting things includes our collectibles. So we have different collectibles that you can apply, so that when you share trade cards, you get all these cute little P&L cards that feature the Alpha Cat. So I can just easily apply the astronaut one. Yes, and there are also more in the store. So clearly my credit usage has moved from asking into automation a lot recently, and I think a lot of our users enjoy that. Lastly, we have this new thing called quests. So if you enjoy Alpha, I think a lot of people enjoy it secretly and they have no reason to share. We started a quest thing where you can ask your friends to join, and if they use your referral code, all you need to do is click this present, right? Copy this. And if they complete their first automation and their first Ask Alpha query, you would get 200 bonus credits, and your friend also earns 100 bonus credits. Or if they convert into a paying customer, then you would get 20% off the first month, and you get a kickback too. So you can earn money through Alpha. If you introduce this to your friends, you will earn a kickback from 30% onwards. So if you just like introduce it to 3 or 5 friends, you would make back all your subscription amount. Yeah, so that's that really quickly. Let me show you what happens on Telegram. That is insane. Let me quickly just pull it up.
Wait,
Yeah,
for
I just
auto,
want to add on. Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah,
Please
go
go
Yes,
ahead.
go on.
Yeah.
Shin-chan, go ahead first. It's okay.
Oh, just my personal like experience. If yeah, to everyone who is interested in using Alpha, I think mobile app it's like the kind of like the king. I think like you know, for apps to, for users to be able to access different apps and to utilize their features, I think the mobile app versions are the best way for like me from a day-to-day user to really like navigate the space really instantly, like talk to the LLM and to modify on instructions or to see how different like automation plans are running to get some updates. So yeah, I just highly recommend everyone, if you're interested in exploring, feel free to download a mobile app so you could have a like smoother user experience.
Yes. So if you just
Yeah.
search app.alpha.ai or alpha.ai and you log in, actually you don't even need to log in now. It's public, but that you will see a prompt that says add to home screen. So just add to home screen and you get a native app out of the box. No downloads needed. It's pretty seamless. So let me give you a quick example of how I'm using this on Telegram too. It's very social. You can ask it. So this is what I'm trying to do. Someone, a very wise man, told me that every day there is a zeitgeist or there's a meta on Twitter. And if you can catch that and you make content around it, you could grow your followers. So I was just trying it out and I asked it to give me, I literally just typed like, give me, so I'll slash auto because it's in auto mode. Let me know what is the meta of the day, right? So I will do something like this and it would just set it for me. So I set this like 24 hours before and I got this, yeah, it told us about Pump Fund's new bounty product and backlash around it. So you can use this for content creation too, not just trading. But if not, I also want to know what's happening with the war. So instead of having to ask an AI questions, who has time for that? Honestly, you guys have lives to live. You guys have grass to touch. You just like let Alpha know, and we'll just inform you, and you're in the know, right? Now, if your friends talk to you about it, you understand. You understand how does this impact your portfolio. Even you can even tell Alpha, okay, let me know what to do about my portfolio, and you get a personalized alert, right? Or actionable insight. Yes, or you can, I was just testing this out. You can let me know if any of these podcasts face FUD or just like monitor for mention of quantum related news, and it just keeps going on. Yeah. So this one needs to be more clear. So yeah, maybe it would be like inform me every day about the zeitgeist of the day. Yes, and I can't scroll out too much. If not, you'll see all my positions. But you can ask it questions, you can get alerts, you can do anything you want, and even more stuff are coming out. Oh, and you can share it with your friends too. So you can actually type it on. If this is a group chat with your friend or even a DM with your friend, you can actually just type alpha AI underscore bot and ask it to do things. So tell your friend something. Yeah.
Do people use it in group chats, or is this more like I know you guys do have a group chat too as well. Yeah.
Yes,
For
yes,
more
yes.
news
So
summaries.
we quite a lot of group chats. Well, I think we're in 200 plus, going to 300 private trading group chats. So people use it. I can't share. If I go back, you'll see my private messages. But this was already created. Let me quickly do a shout out to my friend. Give me a second. Yes, let me share this. Yeah, so there's this trading group chat called Medium Rare by two Lambros, and it's
Ooh.
people use it all the time, just like asking questions around what's happening. Yeah, like why did
Yeah.
this drop? What's new in the past 24/7 hours? Why? Yeah, whatever you want. Real time information. The best part is that we are not building this for ourselves and for our users only. Every single company can use this. So shout out to this company called Almanac. They actually built their own AI product, fully AI product, built using Alpha's tech, and this is installable in under an hour. So let me quickly
Mm-hmm.
show this so that if you guys want, Shinchan, Satoshi, if you want to build your own AI, you don't even have to attribute alpha. Like we're happy, we just want businesses to succeed, right? We all make money together. So this company, Almanac, it actually built its own AI, so AI training partner called Alma, and you can ask questions like, "What? Where is smart money diverging?" Let me just quickly show. Yeah. So this
Oh
is
wait,
actually. Yeah. Oh,
the share screen. I think you're sharing a different screen. Yeah,
oh yeah, I'm sharing a different screen. Sorry.
no worries.
Okay, it's coming on in three, two, one. No, it's not. Okay. Yeah, so this company actually, Almanac, they're a BitTensor subnet. They actually built their own AI using Alpha. They call it Alma. So you can ask questions like where is smart money diverging from this prediction markets. They are prediction markets aggregator. Yeah, and this is
On
fully
BitTensor,
sorry.
and they're on
So this is
BitTensor.
their product is a web app. Yes, so
Oh,
you can
okay.
trade on prediction markets, you can earn yield on your positions. So they are just one of many companies that we are helping. So you have to hit a certain amount of volume to be able to see the Alma AI. Yes, but that's just one example. Many other companies are using us, CoinGecko. Uh, I can't share too many names, but I know quite a few AI agent companies that raise quite a lot of money. They are solely relying on our social contacts for for information. So yeah, my message is that we're here to help. So if any one of you guys are building AI, you're struggling, it's so difficult to get it right, it's so hard to get precise information or even alerts, then use us our docs. Let me quickly share my docs. That goes for Clash of Pubs too. Yeah,
Yes.
if you want to allow people to auto trade or do any like simple stuff without putting in too much effort, like they just log in and they buy low, sell high, make no mistakes. Sure, you can also do that. So the screen share is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait. I
No, is
think I'm
that
supposed to press. Wait, try again.
oh
Usually
okay.
there's a button I have to press.
I see. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So you can actually just come here. This is our docs. This is actually where most people pay us. Go to auto. Honestly, just send this link to your agent and ask it to figure it out. But the better way is to just go to alpha.ai and there's a skill here. So all you need to do is click skill.
Nice.
You can just install this now and you get all our tech without spending millions of dollars or 2.5 years building this. Just copy this link and send it to your agent to use it. So you can ask it to get alerts, monitor this, monitor that. When this happens, do that, then do that. Or if not, like it's infinite.
Sick.
Okay, looking
Yeah.
forward to it being on Clash of Clubs. Yeah, no pressure.
I'll do it. I'll do it. Yeah, actually, you guys should really work with virtuals. I think they have a lot of trading agents or even social and
Virtuals?
yeah, yeah, virtuals. A lot of their agents. I mean, yeah,
Yes. So we're in touch and we're gonna do something together too.
got it. Okay. Um,
Okay.
Yeah, and I just want to add on
Yes.
for Octo because I did test it myself, right? So but I can't share any of my screens here because you guys will be able to see like my positions and whatever I did. But like yeah, I think it's very like from a customer or like B2C perspective, right? It's very intuitive and very convenient for users because once you get connected to Alpha the app, then basically you can just like type in any kind of like I want to trade Apple stocks, for example, and then Alpha will suggest you like how you want to trade it. Is that more from a tactical perspective, or what kind of like setup do you want? And then where do you want to like activate the Octo plan so that Alpha could help you do the Octo Octo trading itself. And yeah, what's like useful is that when you connect Alpha to Telegram, it will show you everything like when your Octo plan would begin and when it's ending, and also the kind of like Octo plan is executing on, I think it's Hyperliquid, right? The kind of like the strategies that you're trying to employ. So yeah, I would say it's pretty comprehensive in a way that you wouldn't feel like it's difficult for you to try to like trade from being like a professional trader. So that's like how I feel it.
Yes, thank you for giving it a
Yeah.
try, and I'm glad you enjoy it. Our target audience
Yeah.
are people who want automation and want AI prowess without looking at code. We realize that so many people are scared. The moment
Yeah.
God asks you, like, do you want to make this decision or use Bash or something, you're like, oh, I don't know what's going on, and you feel scared. But our target audience is to just like, life should be simple. Let us handle the boring stuff for you.
Yeah. Indeed.
Okay, so we've gone
Yeah.
through like what's
Mhm.
exciting in our companies, what a product demo from each person. What's a hot take? Let's go into like more spicy stuff. What's your hot take that people here will hate you for? Let's go with Saitoshi.
Gosh. Okay. Hot take. I think. Okay. I'll just this someone. So I'm building on the Pubdex front end side. I genuinely hate Euphoria Finance for being able to raise that much.
Oh.
No, I like their gimmick of clicking boxes, but I genuinely don't think anyone clicks boxes to lose money 95% of the time for more than 10 minutes. Even if, like, recently what they did was they reduced the per click per box to like $5, right? And basically you're losing money slower. So I'm like, okay, maybe I'll play for 20 minutes before I run out of money in my account. But I still wouldn't click boxes for that long. And they hosted a trading competition, and they took a photo where everyone's just on their phones clicking boxes, and the people on the stage are clicking boxes. I mean, it's cool, but I really don't see people do it past, like, yeah, you get what I mean? It's people do not click boxes for more than a day. I don't see it. It's like the tap to earn Telegram meta where everyone's hyping up this. Oh my god, it works, right? This is the new consumer meta. And it's like, what the hell are you talking about? You're just pumping up prices for Jackal. Like, it's ridiculous. No one's actually genuinely building on like Pubdex front ends, and even for the rest, which are doing neobank ish front ends, which incorporates vaults, incorporates hyperliquids, builder codes. I think they're just a lot of them are just getting a lot of volume from points farming because all of them are pre TG as well. They raise funds, right? But none of it, like post TG, no one actually trades on these things. Like, yeah, no one's gonna be like, oh, let me, instead of using my online brokerage, which I've been using for many years, let me use Liquid Trade, right? Like, oh my god, I can't wait to use this clean Apple front end that that is crypto backend. I don't know, like no one's thinking that way. Yeah, so that's something that I'm bothered with. But yeah, oh yeah, and actually, wait, Tristan.
We
Yeah, wait.
unlocked the Kraken. We unlocked the Kraken. That's so good. I don't think I can top that.
Yeah, no, but yeah, I hate the front ends right now. But oh yeah, great, Tristan. One more question. Like for Alpha side, right? Are you guys ever going to look into like Web2? Because recently I was at an online brokerage AI finance lesson by Momo, and they were bragging about how you can now use Momo's APIs to let Cloud trade for you.
Mm.
Yeah, on the stock market. So yeah, I was wondering if that potentially is a bigger market. Because when I was there at their finance lesson, it was 7 p.m. and the whole place was packed up with office workers. Yeah, it was quite interesting to see.
Yes, we are. I can't share too much, but we are actually going to, obviously, like, we're already supporting commodities and equities, and that is a natural next step. We are chain agnostic. We just, our goal is just to help traders have a easier time keeping up with information. So the natural next step is to allow anyone to connect their favorite exchange to Alpha and use it as a tool. So yes, Mumu, if you're watching this, hit me up.
FG.
Yeah, actually, I run the LinkedIn for you club. So later on, I will do some kind of like our live stream highlights, and then I can
Okay.
tag Mumu
All right,
on
let's do
LinkedIn.
it. Let's do it. Hi, Mumu. Nice to meet you. We should work together. Shinchan, what about you? What's your hot take?
My hot take.
Me offense. It doesn't have to be that crazy. No pressure.
Like like these days, because actually recently I just changed my job, and I'm still like exploring the crypto space right now. I would say like I have been in the space for about 4 to 5 years, and then I think quite a lot of us were, and then we have witnessed all of the like pumps and dumps and all the like different narratives and all that. And to be honest, like I think right now I'm quite lost in a sense that I don't know what else I can do next. Because some background to the audience, because maybe you don't know me or don't know much about myself. Because I started like 4 to 5 years ago in crypto. So I'm a very DeFi native person. I started with like marketing and growth for decentralized exchanges, and also for landing protocols, for stablecoin protocols and all that, and then also including like Bitcoin bridges. And so my role was like like starting from the beginning. All I wanted is like, yeah, we're gonna make DeFi great again, and then we're gonna push DeFi to the next stage of adoption. But I feel like specifically for this year, because of all the like security incidents that happen, and people specifically, maybe not just like from the retail perspective, but also from like institutional users, having uncertainty about how they could like use DeFi in a safer way. We were seeing like all the like kind of like downturn of DeFi. We see like the TVL, like it just kept dropping like day by day. Like when we compare TVL of today in DeFi to last year, I think we are down like 40 to 50%. Currently, I think it's 70 billion roughly in the whole DeFi space. But like last year, at the same time, maybe we have about 110 or 120 billion. So it's like we have gone like to the kind of like, I would say, the depression stage right now. Yeah. So that also brought me to my current job, because I felt like I'm not sure what else I can do in DeFi. I mean, like I can potentially like get into a DeFi protocols and utilize my like experience and what I did before, specifically to grow like the protocols in terms of like TVL or marketing or BD, all that. But like I'm not so sure about the sustainability, and also how I will be in that particular protocol, maybe in the next like 5 years, not 5 years, maybe in the next like 6 months to 12 months. So that's how I'm feeling right now. But like I think PerpDex is different. It is a different landscape to me. So I wouldn't say PerpDex is DeFi, but when we're looking at all the trading volume that PerpDex is able to generate, and also the kind of progression that we have gone through from pure like crypto tokens to commodities to stocks right now, it's a different landscape. Yeah.
Damn, that wasn't the hot take that I was
Yeah,
expecting. But now it's
it's
like
a
kind of
bear
sad.
stick.
I'm yeah, no, but I totally feel you. I think you don't. in my opinion, don't have to be too worried about it, because your skill set is literally like numbers, being able to understand how liquidity accumulates in banks and trading exchanges, brokerages,
Mhm.
or more, right? Like yeah, like that I think your skill set is extremely transferable. Don't have to really box yourself in. And I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people who really need your skill set that's out there looking, but they don't know that you're looking for them, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just like having a lot of thoughts these days, but yeah, I think like I will still be like within the crypto space.
Yeah, and I'm
Yeah.
pretty sure
Grinding
it's
here.
gonna
Yeah.
is going up again. It will come back, just because
Hmm.
I think 24/7 trading and access to capital is something that is obviously a good thing, a net gain, but it's definitely something that the world wants, and you're seeing that blockchain is being adopted by the world at
Hmm.
scale. So we're not sure what the next thing will look like, but this is everything we're doing, and everything we stand for is going to is here to stay, in my opinion.
Yeah. True.
Actually, before Shin Chan mentioned that TVR was down from 180 to 70, I didn't know that. That's crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah, it's all Mito's fault. Mitos, I don't know how to pronounce that. Yeah, we should build a better AI to to
Gosh.
defend the skies.
Wait, actually, Shin Chan, at least from the centralized exchange side of things,
Hmm.
are there more organic retail flows that you're seeing, or is there strong retail participation on campaigns there?
I think there are let me see how I should put it. So I think there have been ongoing demand for for people to use centralized exchanges, but the thing is just is which exchanges that they are legally able to use, and what are the exchanges that they can use. So I think that's the like questions for users to sort out. But like I think from the like retail side, what we can see is that it's mostly the spot and futures tradings that users are more focusing on. And with the trends of spot stock, and also the SpaceX pre-IPO shares being available for sex users. So that's I would say like that's the current focus right now. Yeah.
Got it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think from my like I feel like if yeah, I think what I observe a trend is that if they are centralized exchange users that from day one, and they are never interested in DeFi in terms of like creating their own externally owned wallet and also managing different like EOAs themselves on Rabi or MetaMask. The conversion it's quite tricky and
Mm.
difficult specifically. Yeah. But like for DeFi users, like I think maybe for us or maybe for some other people, like we may be more adopted to like using both for different purposes. And maybe there are like some other usage that I have to rely on central exchanges and to achieve. For example, like converting that into fiat or having to use certain like centralized exchange debit card for expense purposes. So that's how I feel about it.
Oh, okay, okay. What about for centralized exchanges? You guys are also adopting stocks and uh, commodities to some degree, right? Is there
I
is
think
there
yeah, I
a,
think most of the yeah.
is there a good uptake there? In yeah, I guess in volumes there compared to the crypto takers.
I think crypto takers still dominate.
Ah, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. That's
And
interesting.
it depends on what takers that decentralized exchange is able to support.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Yeah. Actually, I felt like because I trade quite frequently on US stock, but like not on like perp dexes, but more in like holding the spot, using like interactive broker, for example. I'm not sure like what you guys are using, but in Hong Kong we're using like Futu, interactive broker, and Chief brokers, all that. So yeah, I'm more used to trading that. So whenever like there's like a trendy ticker, for example, maybe like NBIS or some other smaller ones, like COS, for example, like it's hard for me to kind of like create a kind of like both traditional stock trading position plus a crypto on-chain position, just because like the ticker is not supported on perp dexes. Yeah, I would say like that we have all the dominant ones. Yeah, and
So
some
you're saying
platforms are
you're saying that you're not able to take a position on both equities, commodities, and the crypto tokens that you want at the same time in the same place.
At the same time. Yeah.
Got it. Got it. So if you were to, you are able to connect, let's say IBKR to Alpha, and your agent is able to take that position on IBKR and on the exchange that you want. That could be
Maybe on Hyperliquid, for example, and the same taker is supported, then it would be it would be a very like bullish strategy.
I see.
Or like
That's
at least a way
something
of
that you
trading
like.
stocks. Yeah.
Right. Or you can buy on both sides on Cash of Clubs. You know, when you're gonna integrate IBKR.
Actually, so even when integrating PubDex SDKs across the different PubDexes, there are more stringent PubDexes that have sort of like centralized exchange like
KYC.
KYC, and also integrations with their APIs like Gravity and Hibachi. Both require you to input your API keys before our front end can execute trades on your behalf. Whereas other PubDexes, you essentially just connect your wallet and off you go. Yeah. So actually, we can already work with centralized exchanges. I did speak with one recently, but I think it's just too foreign for them to host trading campaigns with our UI. They want it to be all held within their mobile app essentially. Yeah,
that's interesting.
But honestly, if I can get a trading campaign going with centralized exchange, I think that's some insane like a retail adoption unlock that I can do.
Yeah, I'm sure you can. I'll wait for it. I'll wait for the news in a month's time. Yeah?
I'll keep trying.
I can supplement a bit on that point, because I think a lot of centralized exchanges, when they are open to working with different like on-chain protocols, in the sense that if they're able to connect their like centralized exchange API, right? But the tricky point is that if they want a retail user from, for example, like Clash of Perps, to be able to trade on Binance, for example, they need that user to have both like a kind of like KYC accounts on Binance, and then they also have to generate their own API key. And then at the same time, they have to be able to know how to use the EOA on the Clash of Perps platform, so that they have to connect everything. So it's kind of like a tricky practice for those centralized exchange users. Yeah, but I would say like if we I think Eve, like a platform user, they would want to rely on centralized exchanges is mostly because of the like liquidity depth that they're able to offer. Yeah.
And also that your money is already there, right? You don't have to move it.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, that was a great session. We should do this more.
Actually,
you guys
just even just casual chats every week would be cool. But yeah, we can see how we can make this more regular. But yeah, it's good to learn more about Alpha. Alpha Auto Trade, and also Shinchan and centralized exchanges and what's coming up for U Club.
Yeah,
Yep.
before I leave, just a quick shout out to
Mhm.
Satoshi, because I knew him before he started Clash of Pubs, and he really hustled really hard. So I actually tried it out really early on, and I was impressed with the speed at which it iterate. So yeah, like check it out. I think it's fun, and I think
Yeah,
trading can
you
be a lot
just
more interesting.
you just reminded me the first time you wanted to use it, it took nearly like 1 week because the loading screen couldn't work.
Yes.
And we didn't have a loading bar either. Oh god. Yeah, that
No,
was
you
so
did
bad.
have a loading bar, but it just
I
took a
did have a
while.
loading bar, it doesn't work. Okay. Oh my
Okay,
god.
see you
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye.
See you